Welcome to my latest drawing video. We are going to draw a pattern like this one. This was drawn by Janelle in Year 6, and I've chosen it because it's an excellent example of a pattern that requires concentration and really good ruler and pen control. You will need a ruler, you'll need a pencil, you'll need 2 pens and a piece of paper, or a notebook or sketchbook like this one. Now, I am currently drawing a border inside the perimeter of my page. I'm just using the width of the ruler, so I'm not doing any measuring, I'm just using the width of the ruler. I'm placing the ruler against the edge of each side and I'm drawing within the inside of the ruler. Now, this has produced a border with pencil. So now I'm going to go over with a broad nibbed pen, and I'm carefully highlighting over the pencil. Now look at the way I'm holding the ruler. I'm keeping the ruler as horizontal as possible and I'm rotating the page. I'm rotating the page to meet the ruler, and that helps me draw accurate lines. It will help you control the ruler. Hold the ruler firm and draw your lines from left to right. If you're right-handed, it will probably be right to left if you're left-handed. Now, let's start the pattern. Now, I've got a fine nibbed pen now. You don't have to have different nibbed pens, but it can add to the effect of the pattern. And I'm going to draw 5 horizontal lines, left to right, because I'm right-handed, using the ruler, and they're approximately 2 or 3 millimeters apart. Now, just keeping the ruler horizontal, I'm moving it down very slightly for each line. Now I'm going back to the broad pen and I'm going to draw 1 horizontal line. I'm exchanging pens again to the first pen I had, the fine pen, and I'm going to draw another 5 lines with the fine pen. When I've drawn those 5 lines, I'm going to swap the pens again, and with the broad nibbed pen, I'm going to draw 1 line and then go back to 5 lines with the fine pen. So I've created a sequence of lines, and this is going to create a repeated pattern down the page. Now, if you do not have a ruler, that doesn't matter. Anything you can use as a straight edge. If you're doing this at home and you don't have a ruler, you can use anything as a straight edge. It could be the edge of a biscuit tin, the edge of a book, a piece of wood, anything as long as it's straight. If you don't have 2 different pens, doesn't matter. It could be 2 different pencils or 1 pencil and 1 pen, 2 different biros. And as you can see, I've speeded this video up, so I'm close to completing the pattern within the frame on the page. I'm keeping the ruler horizontal, moving it down ever so slightly, approximately 2 or 3 millimeters per line. And this is what I like about this activity. It really does require you to concentrate all the way to the very end.